We're having the most amazing sunrise on this second day here in the Faroe Islands. We've come high for sunrise today and it's absolutely spectacular. Let me just turn the camera around. Just look at that leading line of that fjord and the sun in the top. Breaking a few rules there, centre line, not exactly third, but the fjord is leading line into the third. And always remember to look behind you. I'll be taking some from the ridge behind me as well in just 1 second. I do hope you agree this is an absolutely superb place for sunrise photography and photography at any time really. Look at that view. The sun is up now, still providing a little bit of colour, not masses on the hills. The sky behind, one of those things, one of those perils of sunrise photography. The sky on this side didn't really get masses of colour in, but the greens and the blues are absolutely superb, and the sky has some great texture. And it's just starting to hit some of the peaks as well. So I'm going to continue and just let's just get some images behind, because one of the great things about sunrise in particular is always remember to look behind you, not always at the sun. It's tempting to get images just looking at the sun, but remember to look behind you. And as part of this scenery, what I want to know is who lives in this house right down there. There is no obvious means of access for that at all. No road, no trail, no path. The cliffs on the other side would make it impossible via sea. There must be some way anyway, but absolutely stunning. What an amazing location to live in. Absolutely stunning. And whoops, nearly fell. The ground is so cold. It's so free. There's ice and everything on the ground. We're really high altitude though, but I'm still in the same location as the sun's getting higher. And let me just switch the camera around. Look at the shadows on that. Look at the effect. Look at the way that the light is catching the greens and the clouds in the sky. Although they've not got the colour, the textures are absolutely brilliant. It's like an amazing pastel series of shades that just capture the landscape fantastically. We've got those amazing shadows on the thing as well. This is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to capture a series of images here with the shadow play and the scenery and these pastel shades. Absolutely stunning. And please remember, if you've liked this video, to like and subscribe, and remember to check out the rest. Turn on notifications so that you get a notification of when I release the rest of the Faroe Islands videos, and also check out some of my other videos on the channel.